This is the unboxing for a Legion Solar beginner and expansion set. There's another video that I will link to right here that will give you some of the details on exactly what all I ordered and why I ordered it. But I want to go ahead and do the unboxing. We will start with this guy. This is going to be the rails that will attach to the roof. One thing that I want to point out about those as I open here, the rails are supposed to be 10 inches long, and I had ordered this, and I sent Legion an email saying, when can I expect it to ship? And they got back with me saying that their shipper, which this was shipped via FedEx, does not like shipping things more than 8 feet long. And so what they offered to do was they offered to chop the rails at 8 feet, and that's 96 inches, and then they would give the additional 14 inches in a second piece, and they would give a splice kit to go in between them. So I'm expecting this to be an 8-foot section as well as a splice. There's nothing in there. So it looks to me like we have the splices right here. Yes. And there's the additional pieces. Sure. Okay. Stuck together. Okay. So what we actually ended up with is we ended up with these second pieces being 28 inches. And that should make the main pieces around 97. That's interesting. So we've got more like 97 plus 28, so 125. So we actually ended up with more than I had planned. So that's actually a very interesting turn of events that we might be able to use to not have to buy as many pieces in the future. Sure enough, these are the splice kits like I had thought. You put this in between this piece and the next piece, and then you can splice it all together. So these are the rails that the panels will connect to, and then they will connect to the roof. That box, so this rail set, the box weighed 17 pounds, so that's about what the rail sets weigh. Now we've got this small box, which is about 6 pounds, and then for the expansion set and the starter set, we have these two boxes, and each one of these boxes is around 57 pounds, but we'll open it. We'll open those next. But first we're going to open this little box that weighs 6 pounds and see what all is in here. So we got the order that we had. It almost looks like we're like a, oh, there they are. Awesome. Okay. So we have this. If you look on the other video, I ordered 2 end sets. Each set is 2 of them. So we've got 4 of these. And then on the interior sets, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which I ordered 3 sets of these, and each one of them is 2. So these are what actually hold the solar panels onto the rails. And so that's what that is. And this is the grounding lug that will make sure that the rails and everything is grounded the way it's supposed to. So that was a separate purchase. And then the rest of what is in here, these are how we actually connect everything to the roof. So we have 4 of these, so there should be 4 of these, which there are. A little bit bent on the corner there, but that'll be fine. Then we have 4 of the L brackets that you can see here. We've got 4 of these that get screwed down through the roof decking using the screws that they supplied, and then these caps go over the top to keep everything dry, and we've actually got a little rubber gasket there that also help keep that dry. So that's that part. And now let's open one of the panels. So these are actually not the same. One of them is going to be the starter set, and one of them is going to be the expansion set. And the starter set is going to have the solar regulator computer with it that the expansion set does not have. See that it's taped down there on the other side. And we'll raise that up and I'll cut on this tape strip right here. And I don't know if this is the expansion set or the starter set. We'll find that out in just a second. Carefully. Looks like that's relatively well protected, which is good because we got a poke right here that went all the way through that. But the panel underneath it looks fine, so there are no issues with that. I'm going to take this whole panel, and each panel weighs about 25 pounds, turn it over, and so you can see that the 2 panels are pretty much identical. And then we've got these 2 boxes of goodies. Let's see what we have in here. So this is just what we use to connect the microinverter to the next bit of line, and the various screws that we use to hold everything together with. It's probably the Z brackets, if I were going to guess. Yep, these are the Z brackets if you're not using the decking that we've already opened. But since we are not making our own, we won't be using the Z brackets. So this is the microinverter. So that tells me that this set must be the expansion set, because all we have is a microinverter and what we will need to actually connect it to the main set. So this microinverter will actually attach to the back of one of the panels, but you'll see all about that in the next video. So let's go ahead and open the final box so that we can also see the solar regulator. So to do that, you can see here on the bottom that this one got damaged a little bit too, but hopefully the solar panel's fine. But these things definitely take a bit of a beating in shipping, obviously. So be prepared for that. Okay, so I'm expecting the majority of this to look very similar to the other one we looked at. I don't see that we got the solar regulator like we were supposed to, unless it is hiding in here. Without the solar regulator. There it is. Okay. So this is a solar regulator. This is kind of the computer that runs everything. And yeah, these are the connectors that detect how much power is coming into the meter box. And then this little solar regulator is what gets all of the signals from each one of the panels, and just really controls everything. And I didn't have any idea how big this was because there's nothing online that really talks about it. But here you can see the size, and it's pretty small. We're going to mount this somewhere close to our meter box, but you'll be able to find out all about that in a future video. And this should be the microinverter. Sure enough, it is. And that's the unboxing. You've seen it all now. Stay tuned for the next video, which will be the installation, and thank you for watching.